Hi everyone, let's talk about leading your life and living your life. You want to be transformed, you want to live your life. Meron ka mga priorities naman na hindi talaga nakakatulong sa'yo. So, lahat ng energy, skills, talents, resources na meron ka, if you just accepting the life that you have, it will be useful. Pero kapag you wasting your time in something that hindi naman makakatulong sa iyo, sayang ang resources. Lahat ng bagay na meron ka, na-exert mo sa isang bagay na walang kakwenta-kwenta, sayang. But if there will become a time that you decided to have your life intentionally, every knowledge that you have, every skills, talents, resources that you will have, you will use it and it's gonna work. When you live life with effort, it's gonna be something that you guaranteed you get the resources that you want. And if you have accepting your life para lang para makapunta sa lugar na gusto mong puntahan, or sa isang dream na gusto mong makuha, if you decided to live your life intentionally, maraming resources na meron ka para magkaroon ka ng direction na kailangan mo o sasakyan na kailangan mo. And to complete the idea, the amount, when you have all this idea and something that you have, the amount of time, certain things that you will do, you will get it in the easiest way to reach your goal, to reach the destinations that you want to reach. Na gamit yung lahat ng resources na meron ka, tama yung direction na makukuha mo. In a small amount of time, in the right directions, you have the right vehicles, you will get what you want. So living a life that you want, and at the same time you leading it into the right directions, you will get the things that you want to have, the goals that you want to have, the directions that you want to go. Right away, you have the idea what's gonna happen and what is the important things that you need to prioritize to use all the resources that you have for you to become successful, to get the reach, to get the goal, to reach the goal, to reach the dreams that you have.